Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media. Today I'm going to tell you how to make the eyes sparkle with natural light in photography. Now, the reason for the eyes sparkling through photography is because basically what is happening is the eye is catching the light that is coming into it and it's reflecting it back into the camera. Now, say you're outside, the most obvious thing that is going to do this is going to be the sun. But now the sun shining into somebody's eye and reflecting it back to the camera can be a little bit harsh. But now the thing that you need to know is that any highlight that is coming into the eye and back to the camera will cause that eye to sparkle. One thing that's often used is something like a bounce board or a bounce card that's located close to the camera. And when you do that, the person looking at the camera, it will actually catch a reflection from that board back into the camera itself. So as you can see, the main light that's falling on me right now is actually quite similar to that a bounce board would actually be placed just off a frame of the camera to bounce back into the person's eye. As you can see, the light is being reflected from my eye back to the camera. So this is actually exactly what you're going to want to replicate when you're outside doing it with natural light. So as you can see, it's not necessarily the natural lighting that's going to make the eyes sparkle. What it's actually going to be is a source of light that is bounced into your eye and then back into the camera. And another thing to know is the physically larger that source of light coming in, the physically larger it's also going to be in the eye and back to the camera. So that's some tips on how to make the eyes sparkle with some natural light in photography. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.